Daily Grammar. Noun. Lesson 1.
What is a noun?
A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea.
Concrete nouns.
Concrete nouns name people, places, or things that you can touch, see, hear, smell, or taste.
Examples:
Person means man, Mrs. Jones, Dr. Maddie. Place means river, Paris, mountains, home. Thing means dog, book, sports car, Ferrari.
Abstract nouns.
Abstract nouns name ideas, concepts, or emotions. These nouns are intangible, which means you cannot touch, see, hear, smell, or taste them using your five senses.
Examples:
Idea means love, intelligence, justice, religion, time. Emotion means happiness, anger, excitement, fear, surprise. Practice what you've learned.
Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.